1235 North 172nd. Date is August 2nd, 2022. Making this recording from the cleanout access in the backyard of the home. We have pushed the camera out quite a few feet. I'm having a tough time pushing it much further. I'm also in the blue belt section of the line, which I believe to be off property and city responsibility. So coming back from here, we're going to get a good look at this side sewer line. Another turn there. There's a section of PVC. A section of this line's been replaced with PVC, then back into the concrete. Tie-in connection on the right side of the pipe there. And back into a section of PVC here. Connection point on the right side of the pipe there. Back into a section of concrete. Back into this last section of PVC that's associated with the cleanout. There is the cleanout access I'm making this recording from. Here is the back side of the house of the line we've recorded. Ending the video there.